Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we have the numbers for the market share of Windows 10 usage. So the numbers for December of 2020 are in, and where are we at? Well, if we look at the different versions, the dominant version is right now the May 2020 update. 40.4% of everybody in Windows 10 is there. So that is definitely a big chunk of people there. And if we look at the 20H2, it actually moved up 5%. From 8.8% that it was last month, it's now at 13.6%. So it's growing, maybe a little slower, but holiday season is not necessarily the time that people start, making or start upgrading their systems necessarily. So 13.6% for the October 2020 update. So, not that many people are there yet. So the second most popular version is 1909 at 33.2%. So that's a pretty big number there. If we look at 1903, which now is not supported anymore, it's at 7%. So if you look at 1909 and 1903 together, they're almost at the level of the May 2020 update. Now, if you're on the May 2019 update, the 1903, you should be moving on to at least 1909 because you're not supported. You had your last cumulative updates for security this month of December. So 33.2% still on last year's build, and 40.4% at the build of this year, the first one that we had this year, version 2004, and 13.6% at 20H2. If we consider that both versions are roughly the same, because 20H2 is a small cumulative update, that means that you're at 53.54% actually of people on this year's one of the two builds for this year. So it's not too bad of a number. People, half of the people are actually now moved on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.